For this pilot episode, we are going to talk about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? How it originated? And how it works? What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital cash that eliminates the need for banks and governments, using instead a peer-to-peer computer network to confirm purchases directly between users. Fiat money, like US dollar in your bank account, is backed and regulated by the government. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is powered by peer-to-peer technology and software-driven cryptography that can only be read by the sender and receiver. This creates a currency backed by code rather than items of physical value like gold or silver, or by trust in central authorities like the US dollar. History of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the first blockchain-based cryptocurrency that was created in 2008 by an unknown entity called Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonym of the mysterious author of the Bitcoin paper. He installed a strict limit on the number of Bitcoin that could ever exist. The supply will never exceed 21 million, making it scarce. This limit is encoded in Bitcoin source code and enforced by nodes on the network. It has come a long way since then, now accepted as payment by companies such as PayPal, Microsoft, Tesla, and others. You can even book a hotel and accommodations worldwide using cryptocurrency via Travala.com. How does Bitcoin work? Each Bitcoin is basically a computer file which is stored in a digital wallet app on a smartphone or computer. People can send Bitcoins or part of one called Satoshi to your digital wallet, and you can send it to other people without the involvement of banks. Every single transaction is recorded in a public list called the blockchain, which makes it impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Bitcoin miners or members of the peer-to-peer platform uses high-speed computers to confirm transactions, typically within 10 to 20 minutes. Miners are paid in Bitcoin for their efforts. The price of one Bitcoin has grown substantially. In April 2011, the price was $1. In 2013, it was trading around 1,000 US dollars. Another 4 years in 2017, the price was 13,000 US dollar. By April 2021, it reached a record spot price approaching 65,000 US dollars before sliding back down. As of early August 2021, Bitcoin was trading around 45,000 US dollars. According to stock-to-flow model by Plan B, Bitcoin price can reach 100,000 US dollars by December 2021. What is Bitcoin halving? Bitcoin halving is the process of halving the rewards of mining Bitcoin after each set of 210,000 blocks is mined. Block rewards started out at 50 Bitcoin per block. Every 210,000 blocks, roughly every 4 years, the block reward gets cut in half. On November 28, 2012, the block reward was cut to 25 Bitcoin per block. On July 9, 2016, the block reward was cut in half again to 12.5 Bitcoin per block. And finally, on May 11, 2020, the latest halving of the block reward occurred. The current block reward is 6.25 Bitcoin per block. The next halving will occur sometime in spring of 2024, when the block reward will be reduced to 3.12. History suggests that there is a positive correlation between Bitcoin halving and increases in the price of Bitcoin. However, it should be noted that the price is not only affected by halvings and is dependent on several other factors. So what happens after the last Bitcoin halving? The last Bitcoin halving is predicted to happen in 2040, after which block rewards will not be in the form of Bitcoin. Miners will be rewarded with fees from network users, those people who buy and sell Bitcoin, so that they are incentivized to continue processing the transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. Where can I buy Bitcoin? There are three ways to get Bitcoins. First, cryptocurrency exchanges. There are a number of exchanges in the US and abroad to buy and sell crypto. Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the US, trading more than 30 cryptocurrencies. Another way is via peer-to-peer purchases. You can buy Bitcoins directly from other Bitcoin owners, your friends, or through peer-to-peer tools like L.E.C or Bitquick. Lastly, you can get Bitcoins via Bitcoin ATMs. There are more than 10,000 Bitcoin ATMs worldwide. Bitcoin ATMs are connected to the internet, allowing for cash purchase and or sale of Bitcoin. You can search Coin ATM Radar to find one near you. Bitcoins can be stored in two kinds of wallets. First kind of wallet is called hot wallet, where digital currency is stored in the cloud on a trusted exchange or provider and accessed through a computer browser, desktop, or smartphone app. Hot wallets are free. You can simply find one that suits your wants and needs, register, and just use it, free of charge. It can hold any cryptocurrencies. Another benefit of hot wallets is ease of use. Because they are always online, there's no need to transition between offline and online to make a cryptocurrency transaction. While cold wallet is an encrypted portable device, much like a thumb drive, that allows you to download and carry your Bitcoins. Whereas many online crypto wallets are free, cold wallets cost about $100 on average. And only limited cryptocurrencies are supported. Cold wallets are designed to be immune to hacking. Even when a hardware wallet is plugged into a computer or connected via Bluetooth, depending on the storage method, the funds stored on the drive cannot be stolen. Both hot and cold wallets have their pros and cons, making them better suited for a particular purpose. All in all, it is common for owners of cryptocurrency to have both hot and cold wallets. The best strategy is to keep the crypto meant for long-term storage in a cold wallet and transfer the amount needed for active trading to a hot wallet. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, turn on the notifications and subscribe for more videos.